So perhaps rather stupidly and at risk to myself, I was able to get the trash can up to the curb. Because this all melted, and now it's a complete and utter entire sheet of black ice. And this is on quite a bit of a slope. I would have taken video footage as I was going up, but that would have been a terrible idea. Because, as you can see, I needed the hand to balance. Certainly going up, I could use this for leverage, but stupid idea. Yes, do not do this. But as you can see, whoop, here's the biggest part of the slope right here. Thank you, Snowbreak. Whew. Fun. Luckily, I'm fairly sure-footed, so I haven't slipped and fallen yet. Keyword yet. Woo! Quite fun, though. Woo! And yeah, as you can see, quite the slope. Would be fun if I was out here with better boots and for recreation, but it's quite dark out. Not that cold. I mean, it had to melt in order to freeze like this, so it's only a little bit below freezing. Quite fun. Possibly dangerous and stupid, but what isn't? Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.